Okay, this is Marley. He loves peanuts. Loves peanut butter, but he loves peanuts too. Every time he hears the cracking of peanuts, he's very well behaved because he knows he's going to get peanuts. And he lives for peanuts. There you go, buddy. And he's very gentle about how he goes about eating the peanuts. This is the only time I can get this butthole to sit still. Look, see? He just loves the sound of peanuts. He likes the sound, the texture, everything. Look at him licking his lips. Yeah, I mean, he's got a problem. He's got an addiction to peanuts. It's half a peanut, Marley. We get the other half here in a bit. All right, back to some more crunching of peanuts. Oops. Peanut heaven. There you go. There you go. Weird dog. You're so weird.